oil, and hay storage area.
Oh no! Our supply depot is on fire!
Call 911 now. Hurry!
Oh! Don't worry, the water train is here. Let's hook up these straight hose and get the water ready.
All right, buddy, let's put out the fire.
Okay. Oh no, the water cannot reach the fire on top.
Then switch to the elbow hose. Hurry!
These should work. Let's attach them.
The hay area is clear. Let's move to the oil area, buddy.
Hell yeah!
How to build the water pump rescue train. 1. Build the locomotive. Place the battery box onto the train base. The front cab, the rear wall, the side wall, the seat, the roof. The locomotive is done. Function testing. 2. Build the water tank car. It has for pipe posts to secure the water tubes. Now I need the splitter to divide the water into 4 outlet pipes. Place them inside the car. Feed the tubes onto the pipe posts. Then add the side walls and the roof. Connect the locomotive to the car. Now I'll use 2 bottles as the water tanks. Cooling liquid. Suppression liquid. The train car will hold these both tanks on top. Now finish the train. Whoa! Testing with 3 nozzles. Way, 1 straight nozzle. Way, 2 long nozzle. Way, 3 L-shaped nozzle.
I can't even catch a single fish. There's so much trash. Stop, don't dump trash into the ocean. Let's build the automatic drain cleaner.
Step 1. Build the conveyor system. Install the chain. Step 2. Build the lifting arm. Build the support gear. Testing support gear with the ring. Build the support frame. Build 2 rotary shafts. Install the support frame to conveyor system. Install the support gear. Step 3. Install the sweeping propeller. Step 4. Build the waste discharge system.
The automatic drain cleaner has been completed. Let's begin the sea cleanup. Great job. Oh no, there's still a lot of trash out there. I must upgrade the machine.
How to upgrade the automatic drain cleaner. Step 1. Build the propeller. Step 2. Build the floating buoy.
I use Formix and empty plastic bottles. I have 2 floating buoys.
Step 3. Build the engine and transmission system. Install the battery box. Step 4. Final fitting.
Let's keep cleaning up the trash. Let's move forward and clean up the trash. Yeah, I've cleaned up all the trash from the ocean. Let's dump some trash. Stop! Why throw trash into the ocean again? I just cleaned and they pollute again.
I demand to be set free. This is wrong.
I will do it quickly.
Let me go now. I don't want this. I don't want to be here. You can't keep me here like this. Release me.
Damn it!
How to build the buttock pump. Step 1. Build the frame. Step 2. Build the pump component. Testing. Testing with a ball.
I can't breathe.
Huh? Stop. That's enough. Huh?
What's going on? Please, let me go. Oh my God.
Huh?
I'm scared. I need help.
The experiment is complete. The aquarium is really beautiful. It's definitely going to get a lot of like. Beautiful aquarium. What the hell is going on?
The fish tank looks awful.
Delete the photo.
It looks terrible.
Damn it.
Aquarium Fish Shop. Welcome, sir. Let me introduce you to some products. This is the most modern type, compact design, and can be controlled on, off with a remote.
I need one that hold water inside.
How about this, sir?
It's too small to raise fish in.
Wait a moment, I'll do it for you. How to build the aquarium bedside lamp. Step 1. Build the water pump. Build the propellers. Add the water pipe. Add the engine and more. Add the case. Testing. Step 2. Build the lamp. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add fishes and more. Great, I'm done.
Wow!
Hey Alex, I just made it for you. Let's fill the water into it.
Whoa! Wow!
Well, this is exactly what I wanted.
I'm glad that you liked it. The lamp cost $1,000.
I already have beautiful photos to post. I don't want to buy it. Bye.
Damn it, I've been tricked.
Aquarium bedside lamp.
The lamp is really beautiful.
How much do I must to pay to own it?
Fool!
Oh no! Lightning just hit our house.
Run quickly, hurry!
No way! The whole house is burning down. Everything's gone. How can we live here now?
Don't worry, babe. We still have our savings chest. We'll build a new, bigger house even better than before.
7 hours later.
Aha! The train has brought the bricks here. Let's start building the first floor. Honey,
Yeah, let's go.
our laundry room must be modern and organized.
Oh no! We've run out of bricks.
Don't worry, I just ordered more bricks and glass doors.
This time, we'll build the kitchen.
We'll set up this room with the finest amenities.
But how can we build the second floor now?
I have an idea.
Wow!
The pulley system has arrived. This pulley machine will help us lift stuff to the second floor easily. Let's build the bedroom this time.
I want our bedroom to feel cozy and cute.
Let's build up to the third floor. This will be our chill room for relaxing and watching movies. And I'll also add some furniture to this balcony. Our new house is all set and done.
Wow! It's so big and modern. I love it.
How to build the automatic pulley system. Number 1. Build the frame structure. Base platform, vertical beam. Horizontal beam. Add the extra vertical beams. Number 2, build the motor and pulleys. Horizontal beam. Wind the string onto the motor spool. Then thread the string through all these pulley wheels. Now build the cargo platform and attach it to the horizontal beam. Add the battery box. The automatic pulley system is done. Metal coin. Testing.